अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं समर टीवी उर्दू। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की ये शानदार वीडियो। दोस्तों, इस मुसीबत की घड़ी में काफ़ी सारे लोग जो है वो इस्लाम की तरफ राग़िब हो रहे हैं और इस्लाम को कबूल कर रहे हैं। आज की वीडियो में हम एक ऐसे ही प्लेयर की बात करने वाले हैं जिसको आप बखूबी जानते होंगे। दोस्तों, अरब मीडिया के मुताबिक बहुत ही शानदार प्लेयर स्टैन ने इस्लाम कबूल कर लिया है। दोस्तों, ना सिर्फ स्टैन बल्कि उनकी वाइफ ने भी इस्लाम कबूल कर लिया है। केविन पीटरसन को एक इंटरव्यू के दौरान उन्होंने बात की और उस बात के पीछे अगर आप वीडियो देखेंगे मुकम्मल तो उस वहाँ पर आपको मुकम्मल तौर पर कुरान पाक की तिलावत सुनाई देगी। स्टैन के घर में भी तिलावत होती है और बाकायदा तौर पर नमाज भी अदा की जाती है। चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं ये ऑफिशियल क्लिप और उसके बाद अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा, साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें। थैंक यू सो मच।
What was the PSL like? What was Pakistan like?
It was really good. I actually quite enjoyed it. I mean, other than the fact that we were under like the hotel arrest, that we couldn't really leave the hotel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you know what it's like. You know, they want to make sure that nothing happens, and you also don't want to be that person that goes out and something happens, and then they stop all cricket from going to Pakistan.
Yeah.
And the one thing that I didn't do before I went, I don't know what was wrong with me, but I didn't check the weather. And I got there, and I've never been that cold. It was freezing. It was absolutely freezing. It was freezing.
Seriously?
It was freezing. And I took one jersey with for the plane, because you know the plane can get kind of cold.
Yeah.
And like one pair of like long tracky pants. And I had to wear like the Islamabad United uniform like 90% of the day, because that was how I stayed. That was the hoodie they gave me. It was so funny.
Yeah, but most things are manufactured either in Pakistan or India or whatever. Did they not get you any freaking clothing?
Well, they gave us. Yeah, they gave us the gear, the clothing for the team and that. So that was fine. And I didn't really go anywhere. I was like in my room. From there, I went down to the spa, had a swim. You know, like we weren't really allowed to leave the hotel, so it was fine. It wasn't an issue.
So you got your isolation on board very quickly. So this is going to be a breeze for you if you've just been cooped up in a hotel room.
I'm doing like 6 weeks of quarantine right now. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Yeah, but it happened quickly, dude. Like we were sitting. I think it was a Friday night. We had a chat. Like the overseas guys had a chat about what was happening and everything like that. And then I went down to the lobby and I bumped into one or two of the guys, and they said that they were thinking of talking to like some of the management and everything. And I said, all right, cool, just let me know. And then I got a message, and it was like, guys, we're having a meeting. I ran upstairs to this meeting, and right there and then it was decided that we were going home, like right there and then. And I thought, okay, cool, well, they'll let us know when these flights are. And one of our managers came into my room and he said to me, you must get packing because you're going to leave for the airport in an hour. And I literally had like an hour. Yeah, I had like an hour and a half to get my stuff together, my shit packed and everything like that. And I was raced off to the airport and flew to Doha, Joburg, Cape Town.
So you from an hour before that, you thought you were playing, and then within an hour you were out of that country.
We were playing the next day. We had a game on the next day, and
holy smokes!
Yeah, and the Saturday we had a game on, and that Friday night, I was out. I was back in South Africa before that game even happened.
Holy shivers!
Yeah, you don't want to leave the country. You know, you're there to play cricket and all that kind of stuff. But then this whole thing just kind of escalated so quickly, dude. Like,
yeah.
Quickly realized that it wasn't a problem. You know, it wasn't a problem getting on the plane. No one really cares that you left because there's now bigger issues. I mean, we're in a 21-day lockdown right now, you know.
And what are you going to? I mean, you